Hi, this is Tina Datta and you are watching me on Dharmishta's Diary. जैसे आप सब लोगों को पता है कि दिवाली इज़ राउंड द कॉर्नर और शॉपिंग तो हर लड़कियों के लिए स्ट्रेस बस्टर होता है और सेकेंडली दिवाली आ रही है तो दिवाली में तो हर कोई नई चीज़ें खरीदते हैं कोई और लड़कियों की बात की जाए तो डेफिनेटली दे प्रेफर ज्वेलरी कुछ सोना हीरा यही सब खरीदते हैं एंड आई पर्सनली लव डायमंड्स एंड टुडे आई एम हियर एट फ्योना एंड यहाँ से हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की जैसे अभी आप देख रहे थे कि हम शॉपिंग कर रहे थे एंड मैंने एक फिंगर रिंग ली अपनी मॉम के लिए एंड द ज्वेलरी इज़ रियली नाइस एंड बहुत शाइन करता है बहुत एक अलग ही ज्वेलरी है मॉइजनाइट ज्वेलरी दे कॉल इट इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी क्लासी सो आई रियली लाइक दिस ज्वेलरी एंड yeah it's a Diwali gift for my mom and I really enjoy shopping here. Because I took it up as a challenge. I thought it's something different. It's gonna, it's something which is gonna break my image that I have been portraying since the past 6 years of a bahu, and it will be something. It won't be like I have to get into the shoes of somebody else's character. It will be like, it's all about me, my personal life. So I don't have to portray a character. People will get to see the real me and the real Tina Datta on screen. People will get to know me as Tina Datta and no more as a character name. So yeah, that really works as an advantage for you and yeah, it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be something very different and which I haven't done ever before in my life. So I took it up as a challenge. Sporting देखते क्या होता है बाहर जाके. वो पता नहीं वहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है मेरे साथ how much I'll be able to perform over there but I'll surely give in my 100% in that show so let's see hope for the best I'm really excited also it's gonna be fun flying to Argentina all the way and I have a couple of friends over there so yeah मतलब जो भी contestants हैं I know half of them so it's gonna be real fun. I don't know what angle it's gonna take, but it's gonna be super fun. Already people started cracking jokes like Argentina, Arjun and Tina. That's why since Arjun is a host and Tina is one of the contestants, so Arjun and Tina is a part of the show. And since that's why instead of flying to South Africa, this time we are flying to Argentina. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. He's a very friendly host. He's very chilled out, and I think we actually need a host who's like this, who's very friendly because you get that adrenaline rush over there when you see the everyone performing the stunts and heights and water, and you really don't know what stunts you're gonna get. So yeah, if you have a host who's really makes you very calm and composed and crack some jokes before the stunt, then it really helps. I think so. So it's gonna be fun, I'm sure. He was superb. He was really nice. Like I said, he's very friendly, and I think it's gonna be a super time with him on the show. One stunt last year, I'd seen somebody performing the stunt where you have to go and find a bomb from 5 6 boxes, and you have to take out the bomb and you have to aim it in tankers, and the tankers blast, and the person who's really quick in aiming that and finish the stunt wins the stunt. So I'm really looking forward to that. I also like one stunt where there's a car racing and you have to drive the car and you have to go on a tempo or something and you have to go on that slide up and go. So I think these are all going to be challenging. I also like the fire acts, breaking the glass and cycling and going inside fire. So I think it's all going to be fun. I think you have to have 100% believe in yourself because that's really really important and yeah, like everybody was asking me who's your toughest competitor on the show. So I said, there's no competitor on the show. You have to compete with your inner self. You have to compete with yourself. So yeah, if you have that belief, then only you can compete with yourself and you can do anything. You just have to say that I can do it and just go for it. You just have to have that belief in yourself that मैं कर सकती हूँ और मैं करके दिखाऊंगी and then only I think you can do it. Honestly, I'm very excited because for the first time in my life in 23 years, I'll be celebrating my birthday in Argentina. So that's really, really gonna be super fun over there. And I'm really excited to celebrate my birthday in a abroad country, in a different country, which I haven't been there ever before, with a set of new friends, with a set of old friends, and I think it's gonna be super fun over there. So I'm looking forward to that. And 1 month, I've been this. I think this is the longest vacation that's gonna happen with me because the longest I was in US for 20 days, and this is gonna be more than a month, 40 days. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and I really love traveling, exploring new places, and I'm sure it's gonna be some thrill, some fun, some adventure, and everything. I would request you all to believe in yourself, just have the faith, just believe that you can do it, and trust me, you can do anything and everything. You just have to say one thing that I can do it, and have the belief that, and the confidence that yes, you can do it. Trust me, you can win the world and you can do anything and everything. I started believing myself after I watched this movie called The Secret, and I would suggest that everybody should watch the movie The Secret. The positivity that you throw out to the universe, it comes back to you, and whatever you ask for, whatever you believe, it actually happens to you. So just have the confidence, just have the faith, trust, and believe in yourself. Just go ahead. Trust me, you can do everything. Thank you.